Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Outlook to make a permanent change, so open File Options now. Once there, choose Mail and click Stationery and Fonts. This is where Outlook stores default type settings. You change 3 places: New Messages, Replies/Forwards, and Plain Text, because Outlook applies different fonts in each context. Make your first font choice for New Mail. This ensures New Messages use the size you want rather than relying on message-specific formatting. Once done selecting stationery and fonts, click the Font button for New Mail Messages and pick a typeface and size. I recommend a readable 1112 for body text. Then repeat for Reply/Forward messages so replies inherit the same size. Otherwise, replies may appear smaller. For plain text messages, explicitly set a size because plain text can default to a system font. Make deliberate choices here so all outgoing mail looks consistent across clients. You finish by clicking OK on the font dialog, OK on stationery and fonts, and OK again on options to persist changes. Next, compose a test message to confirm the chosen font size appears in New Messages and Replies. If the size doesn't stick, make sure no stationery theme or Outlook add-in is overriding fonts. Also verify message format is HTML or plain text as you configured. If still failing, restart Outlook and recheck the settings to ensure they saved properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.